Well, good day, everyone. Welcome back to Driveline Dispatch. Today is a good day. Today is the day that I'm actually going to be installing my new side steps for the Jeep Wrangler. And I'm just going to turn the camera around here. So these are the, I'll sit myself down here, folks. So these are the factory rock rails. And I bought some side steps to help my wife and I get in the Jeep because we're both vertically challenged and I'm getting a little older, stiffer, and all that kind of stuff. So, as much as I like the look of the rock rails, we are not going to be doing any rock crawling with this Jeep at all. This is going to mainly be a mall crawler, but some off-roading here and there. But these side steps are just slightly lower than this, so I don't even think you lose any ground clearance. So that's good, but again, I'm not going to be doing anything severe with this. So that's the goal this morning. This will be a challenge for me because I'm not exactly, what's the word I'm looking for? Mechanically inclined. Any kind of mechanic work that I've ever done, it's always been trial and error for me. So I'm going to get at this. I'm going to show you guys me taking these off. Anyway, you'll see the video. The video will progress fine. But again, thanks a lot for joining in, and we will talk to you again at the end of the video. And folks, there we go with the magic of editing. One rock rail off. Ow. And the other rock rail off. This was easy. 25 minutes to take both of them off. Now it does say that it's 30 or an hour to 2 hours to install. That's because there's more. Because on that one, I've got to install the brackets, 3 brackets first, which I like. And I think those brackets are in 2 pieces. But some of the newer videos I saw of it are in 1 piece. So let's hope I get that kit. And then basically you put the rail on that, screw in two bolts on each bracket, and away you go. So now I'm just waiting for my FedEx package to arrive. I just wanted to do this kind of preemptively to get the job done first. Worst case, it doesn't arrive today. I don't really need rock rails. We're not going to be doing any off-roading. Anyway, there they are. I'll show them to you right now. All right. The package just arrived, and I just took off the top cover, and I'm actually getting busy right about now. I'm not going to wait anymore. I'm just going to go ahead and install them. So I'll give you a quick view of them. we go, ladies and gentlemen, with the magic of editing. They're on. And I must say, I am not mechanically inclined, but since I bought this Jeep, I have told myself that I am going to do everything I can to overcome my shortcomings. And this is one of them that I'm really, really thrilled about. Getting my hands dirty, getting myself right in there, and there we have it. I'm very pleased. Nice and tight, looks great. So I have another mod coming, actually. They're door sill guards. That's another thing I'm going to be putting on this vehicle. And some content is coming about me using it in different scenarios, you know, taking it off-road, or at least going into trails, because there are certainly a lot of trails around here. And my wife and I are going to take, one of these days, we're going to go for a trail ride. But anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on the video. And if you could give it a like, I would really appreciate that. And thanks again for joining, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.